What's up, everybody? So, let's say you bought a classic bike. I'm talking a bike that's got points, the traditional points from back in the day, and it's not starting. You've gone through the whole bike and it's just not firing. Tested the coils, you tested the ignition switch, you checked all the grounds, like everything's perfect, like it should be, and it still won't fire up. I bet you are missing this right here. These are the points on the 72 Triumph. And the bike's been sitting for 20 years. What we discovered, or should I say what I discovered, is that these contacts were extremely dirty and gummed up. I went ahead and cleaned all this out, took some memory cloth in between here, between the contacts, and cleaned them to where they sparked, and it fired right up. Hopefully that helps you guys. Until next time, ride safe.